Look, we know that anything is possible in this world. We've seen some crazy things that have happened, whether it was financially or things that have just happened in the world, just in passing, whatever it is. And in knowing that, we can never count out anything. We can't say that nothing will happen or something will never happen, right? Because we know that there is always a chance that that could happen, right? If we're, let's say we're hitting a driver off the tee and we're playing golf and it is a wide open fairway and you have one single tree that's sitting over there on the right and it's maybe, I don't know, 50 yards away. It's not even in your line of sight. And someone says, you will never hit that tree, it will never get in the way. I guarantee that many people have hit that tree because you could shank a shot and it goes right into that tree. Same thing can happen for Terra Luna Classic. When I hear that we can never burn 99% of the supply. When you believe that you can't, if the entire community believe that way, then we won't do it. However, we don't have the entire community that believes that way. We have me, we have many other people that see the idea that burns are a big deal. We have the thought that exchanges could burn a lot as well. Standard transactions, businesses, D-apps, just a lot of different methods that we could possibly see. It doesn't mean that we are seeing it, but we could possibly see. Knowing that, we know that there's a chance to burn 99%. Now, we would still have to fight for it, and it is still a slim chance. But if it was a massive chance, don't you think this price would absolutely skyrocket and stay there until we see those burns happen? Of course. So you have to have a lot of people that don't believe it in order to see the unbelievable or what they feel like is unachievable actually happen. So what I want to do in this video is I want to go through, can we actually burn all of Terra Luna Classic supply? Based on my responses, based on what I believe, as well as going through AI and seeing what they have to think of. But before we get started, if you guys could hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my links down below, I have a link for Fortis X. If you guys want to check that out, you can keep their holdings working for you with liquidity pools, managed staking, no lockups. You can withdraw anytime, up to 17.98% variable APY. So feel free to check that out. The link will be in the top of the description, as well as if you want to check out my link for BTCC. This is an exchange I've been using for going on 2 years at this point. You can get a 10% deposit bonus if you use my link. You'll also get extra bonuses up to $10,055 and enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. And this is all with no VPN and no KYC that's required. So you don't have to worry about that, as well as being able to trade from a 2x leverage all the way up to a 250x leverage if you do want to. So again, check out those two links down below. They're great platforms and I use both of them. But Terra Luna Classic, it currently stands at 0.00007416. It is up by 4%. We're seeing the market that's actually moving in a positive direction, which is great. Over a $400 million market cap, $409 million market cap to be specific, with $21.19 million worth of volume. Which is an increase of about 40% for volume, still at a 5% volume to market cap ratio. Circulating supply, 5.5 trillion, total supply, 6.45 trillion. That's what we are focused on, right? We want to decrease that supply to get Terra Luna Classic back to a place where it can get to $1, $2, $3 and support USTC, which could essentially get repegged to $1 as well. So we need to see virtually all the supply that gets decreased so that we can get back to maybe an all-time high or something like that. But the purpose of this video was to see if we can actually see that supply burn off, because I've stated in plenty of videos that I believe Terra Luna Classic we can burn off 99% of that supply. Sorry. So I believe that we can burn the 99% of that supply within time and being able to see the transactions and all that stuff that happens. But the first initial ask for Google says, can we actually burn all Terra Luna Classic supply? The short answer is no. We cannot burn the entire Terra Luna Classic supply, and attempting to do so is both mathematically and economically impossible. While the community actively reduces the supply, it hits a target of 1 billion tokens, down from 1 trillion. Burning all tokens would destroy the network entirely. So I think what they're looking at is, can we burn every single coin? And that's not necessarily what we're looking at. What we're thinking of is, can we burn down the supply to getting to $1 billion target, right? Can we burn to get to that point? It's not impossible. What would be impossible is burning down all of the coins entirely. So asking that question, obviously AI took it a different way. However, we can ask a different way. If all transactions or Terra Luna Classic were taxed 1% to burn the supply, I was going to say, how long would it take to burn down that supply? So their response was, with a 1% burn tax were successfully applied to every single transaction or Terra Luna Classic transaction globally, it would take anywhere from 3.7 years to 44 years to burn the supply down to community's 1 billion token target. Like, that's where we want to see that at. So 6.46 trillion to 1 billion on-chain scenario, only on-chain wallets and staking, it would take 44 years for that to happen. 44 years is still something. It's not a crazy amount. We would see the daily amount that's burning, 400 million Lunic, which we are not seeing 1% burn tax. If we would, this is how long it would take, which the popularity might end up decreasing a heavy amount by that time, especially with many other cryptocurrencies that are taking over, as its utility or whatever, right? Global, so moderate global volume, CEX and on chain with 2.2 billion, that would be burning per day. 8.7 years, and then high global volume of bull market activity, which is 4.72 billion Lunic. This is that's daily, and we would see 3.7 years. Now, with this scenario, it also only accounts for a max volume of $35 million during rallies. I don't know if it has noticed, but during rallies of Terra Luna Classic, 35 million is not even close to where it gets to, right? We're seeing hundreds of millions of dollars, maybe even billions of dollars for that time frame in that position. So it's really conservative, but it still looks like an obtainable amount of time. 4 years is an obtainable amount of time if we could possibly see that. Now, when we factor in more things, we factor in the larger amount that could take out, right? The 100 million, 200 million, 300, 500 million, whatever it is. And we're talking about ins and outs. So the price could skyrocket or it could remain the same. We could see it drop even. But even with that drop volume, even with that bear market volume, we're still seeing burns that are taking place during that time. So it could be a lot less time that we see than that 3.7 years. But again, that's still obtainable. But this is all an assumption if we have all exchanges get on board with burning the supply. Because not only do we need to burn the supply of Terra Luna Classic, we also need to burn the supply of USTC to see USTC repegged and see Terra Luna Classic back to a place to where it can support USTC. $1, $2, $5, $10, $100, or whatever, right? So that's kind of where this stands. I know that we look at it and we're like, this could happen, and this could happen, and this could happen, and we don't honestly know where things can go. But as long as we're looking to make it a reality, if we say, as the Terra Luna Class community, we want to see burns, this is the steps, or these are the steps that we're going to take in order to see those burns happen on chain, off chain. Now we can get into a place to where we make some of these things a reality. Whether it's 44 years, 3.7 years, or 3.7 months, we can see these things take place right in front of our eyes as long as we are willing to accept it and believe in it. But there are many people that don't, right? Think that we can't actually burn all of Terra Luna Classic supply, or virtually all of it, 99.9% of the supply. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I know there's some people that believe in it, some people that don't, and I always like to hear both sides. It doesn't change my thought process or my holding process or what I'm looking to do. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, check out my link for FortisX, as well as my link for BTCC down below in the description. But I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.